Hey guys, we're here today in my kitchen to feed MaxWell. We're going to make sweet potato tomato soup. First, we want to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. Next, we're going to line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. We need to grease our parchment paper, so let's add a little olive oil. Let's get chopping. We've got 2 sweet potatoes, 2 onions, 2 carrots, and 2 cloves of garlic. First, we're going to chop our sweet potatoes. We just want to make these in about 1-inch cubes so they cook a little faster. We've got our onions. Let's peel them and just quarter them. Next, peel our garlic cloves, but leave them whole. Carrots are next. Remove the tops, but let's make sure we keep these carrot tops because we can use carrot greens in other recipes. Like you can make carrot pesto, or you can chop them up and just throw them in a green salad. We've got all our vegetables ready. Toss them on that lined parchment sheet. Let's use a little nutmeg. I love whole nutmeg. This brings out tons of flavor. So we're going to just use our zester. And now our veggies have a little extra flavor. Let's pop it in the oven for 45 minutes or until our veggies are tender. This is really going to be based on how large your sweet potatoes have chopped. Remove it from the oven and toss all the ingredients into a blender. Next, dump that pasta sauce in the blender. Dump in a cup of vegetable broth. All right, blend it all up. Take it from the blender into a pot. Turn the stove up to high and let it just come to a boil. When it starts popping, bring it on down and we'll reduce it to a simmer and we'll cook for about 20 to 25 minutes to get a rich, thick flavor. Serve it in bowls, top it with a little olive oil and a little dusting of nutmeg, and you're ready to go. I hope you guys enjoy it. Be well fed until next month.